Good morning, guys. So right now I'm just grabbing some breakfast at Jack in the Box. This is pretty much wasting time. I got something big planned today. I am taking a helicopter tour of Seattle. I can't wait to show you guys. And also I might check out some other attractions today. But yeah, it's gonna be my first helicopter tour, so I'm excited, real excited. Hey guys, so that was a nice little breakfast at Jack in the Box. So right now I'm gonna go over to Northwest Helicopters and we're gonna take a tour. Let's go. Alright guys, so I just made it to King County Airport. And I'm going to Helicopters Northwest. We're gonna take a tour. Guys, it's about to be amazing. Justin's gonna tell me around. It's gonna do this amazing trip. It's a beautiful day today. So guys, that was an amazing tour. Thank you so much, Justin. So if you guys ever come to Seattle, make sure you check out Northwest Helicopters. So amazing. Guys, it's really warm today. I didn't think it's gonna be this hot. I got a sweater on. So I'm gonna head back home and go change because I am burning up right now. Nice weather, nice tour. Can't complain. Let's go. Guys, right now I went home, changed my clothes. It's got a little bit warm, but right now I'm at the Seattle Outlet Mall. Hopefully I can find some stuff. Right now, stopped in the Arby's to get something to eat. You know, you get hungry after shopping. But right now I'm just chilling. Probably head back to my desk, and later on going to a show tonight to go see Bas, one of my favorite artists. He's in town tonight, so I'm gonna see him. I just got done filling up. I'm about to head downtown to Seattle. Had to stop at the gas station, give me some Real Bull because I have no energy at all. Jet lag is killing me right now. But it's okay because I get to see one of my favorite artists, Bas. So it's gonna be a fun concert. Can't wait. So I don't know if you know his music, but this is his music right here. So you ever get a chance or opportunity to see him, check him out.
So I'm sitting in the studio just trying to get to you. I'm just sitting in the studio just trying to get to you. Touch this fucking stage tonight. I know a lot of y'all like, man, who the fuck is this nigga on the stage, man? Somebody let me know. That's cool. Allow me to introduce myself. My name Bas. I'm from Jamaica, Queens, New York City. Harry's here like this. Don't need to ask. I'll bring up for me a glass. I'm in my zone. I'm in my zone. Bounce, 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 bounce. Freeze, freeze. So what do? Your job? Nah. I mean, you pass it if you have one. It could pass you, better grab one. And what do they do? A squad, freeze. Niggas say on it, yeah. Everybody get your hands up, fly. Everybody get your hands up. And let's go. Kick your down.
insane, man. So good, so good. I think I lost my hearing.
Shovel, tell them get to digging. You ain't finished till that hole is big enough for you to fit it. I don't need credit.
Alright guys, so I just made it back home. Man, I got no injury at all. I can't even hear it. My ears are popping right now. But today, I can't even describe how today was. Fun day. Probably the best day I had in a long time. It's a little past 1:30 right now. So I'm gonna try to get some sleep. I'm gonna try to get up early. Not really sure what I got planned tomorrow. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be something crazy. But I'll talk to you guys later. Love you. Bye.
With significant air traffic control delays. So we're out here on the taxiway, and as you can tell, I've just shut both of the engines off, so we're not wasting fuel. And we're going to be sitting here for a while.
Alright, so we're sitting out here on the because the weather's so bad, they delayed the flight, so they said about 45 minutes for us to sit out here. Yes.
They've just changed their mind, and they're going to allow us to take off. As you can see, it's